Good morning, student. Today we will solve our exercise 10.4 of chapter algebraic expressions and identities. In chapter 4 we will deal with the division of the algebraic expression. How the division is done? By using the exponent and power in case of subtraction and division. Do you remember I taught you in chapter 2 exponent and power, where there is a division sign in between any particular number having the same base and different exponents. The exponents will be subtracted from each other and base will be taken common. Okay, so let's start from understanding from the example 1. Monomial by a monomial. Whenever we come across division of a monomial by a monomial is algebraic expression having the one term. In that case we will write it in a proper, like subtraction for here minus 24 x square y cube by z5 upon 6x y5 z4. Simply I have written like this. Now I will choose those alphabets or those numbers which is having the same base and different power. Here z is having 5, z is having 4, y is having 3, y is having 5, x is having 2, and here x is having 1. Here the constant minus 24 will be divided by 6, whereas your variables x square y cube z5 upon will be divided by x y5 z4. The power of x is 1 here, so it will go 1. Here the base is same, the power will be subtracted. The base is same, the power is subtracted. Here the base is same, the power will be subtracted. So I got the answer minus 4xy by y square. I can write it either like minus 4xz y y raised to the power minus 2. Okay. Next one is division of a polynomial by a monomial. In that case I will write the expression. Polynomial means an algebraic expression having two or more than two terms. I write it simply like this and divide it with the polynomial. So in this division case, what I did, I simply separated this expression with the help of the sign in between, and the denominator will come under each term of the expression, and simply it will be subtracted. Now it comes to x cube, because it was having same base. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. 3 upon 2 is equals to 3, will be 3 upon 2, and x 4, and here was x2, so it will be x2. Here it is 6, it is 3, it will be 3. X square will be deducted, and 5 upon 2 raised to the here the x square will be subtracted from x raised to the power 1. Here 4, 2 divided by 8 is equals to 4 x square. Okay, simply like this. Now there are a few things, certain things you need to learn in case of division of a polynomial by a polynomial. Arrange the term of the dividend and the divisor in descending order of their degree. In terms of descending order, in terms of their degree. Divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor to get the first term of the quotient. Multiply all the terms of the divisor by the first term of the quotient. Write these terms below the corresponding term of the dividend. Carry out subtraction and find out the remainder. Take down the remaining term of the dividend next to the remainder, so obtain, treat it as new dividend, and repeat the step second and third till now we obtain the remainder, which either 0 or a polynomial degree less than that of divisor. Okay, so here all these steps you will understand when we start solving the question. Look at this question. Here we are dividing a polynomial by a polynomial. Okay, now here 2x minus 1 was the expression. Here this expression should be divided by this. I kept like this. division sign, the longer one expression, here the binomial expression. Now it is 6x cube, it is 2x. What should I multiply with 2x in order to make it 6x cube? Of course, when 2 is multiplied with 3, it will become 6, and x will be multiplied with x square, it will become x cube. Remember one thing, we are multiplying 2x minus 3 with 3x square, then only it is becoming 6x cube. Remember one thing, the number with which we are multiplying the first one term, the same term will be multiplied with the second one term. So I divided with 3x square 3, so it will be multiplied. I multiplied this number with 3x square, then 3 will be multiplied with the 3x square only. So 6x cube minus 11x square, here it will be 3x square will be multiplied with 2x square, 2x, it becomes 6x cube, and 3x square multiplied with 3, it becomes 9x square. Now here it was given, here it was, in case of division we always subtract the number in order to get the smaller number. So while doing the subtraction, we are doing it same like we were doing in the rational number and another algebraic expression, changing the sign. In the we were subtracting in exercise 10.2 in the same manner. Here I put a minus sign, and here it is minus, so it will be converted into plus. Minus 6x cube minus 6x cube is equals to 0, so nothing is left. 11x square minus 11x square plus 9x square, 2x square will be left, and this one term will be copied as same, 7x and 5. The other remaining term will be copied in the same manner. Now what should I multiply with 2x in order to make it 2x square? Here I am already having 2x, I am already having only one x is required, so I have multiplied with x. Okay, it was given in minus, so in order to make it minus, I multiplied with minus, so I multiplied 2x with minus x in order to make it 2x square, and the same minus x will be multiplied with 3, then it will become plus 3x. Now subtraction, minus sign will be converted to plus, plus sign will be converted to minus, minus plus minus, this is deducted. Now I left with 4x, and here it is plus 5. Okay, now what should I multiply with 2x in order to make it 4x? I multiplied this 2x with 2. Simply 2 into 2x is equals to 4x, and 2 into 3 is equals to 6. Subtracting these two, minus, here it was minus, so I change it into plus. This one will be deducted, this one will be removed, 4x will be removed, and now I left with 5 and 6. Here it is in plus, here 6 is in plus, 5 plus 6 is equals to 11. So the question will be 3x square minus x plus 2, whereas the remainder is. Okay students, let's start exercise 10.4. Here question number 1. Number 1, a monomial is given which will be multiplied by a monomial. So how do we multiply? Here I will write constant term under the constant term, like I showed you in the example. Put it like this. Now p is here and p is here, so p is here 3 and p is here 1. Q is here in square, here q is in 3, here r is 5, here r is having power 1. It will be divided now. Sorry, it was 24. Now it will be and deducted. It is 13 by 8 upon p 3 minus 1, q 3 minus 2, r 5 minus 1. Now the solution will be, so this is the answer. In question number 2, here a algebraic expression will be divided by this monomial. I separate this expression with the help of the operator in betweens. I wrote it like this, keeping the constants together, okay, and the other variables in a way following the property of, in case of division with the same base, any number with the same base, the powers will be subtracted. Now look at this. Here 14 divided by 2 is 7, minus was the sign. Here q 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. In the same way it is minus 16, p1 q1 15 by minus 2 q upon p, minus 11 1 upon pq, plus bracket, inside the bracket it's minus 9 1 upon p square. So now I opened the bracket, minus 7 it is plus 16, now it is minus 15 by 2, it is plus 11 by pq, it is minus 9 by p square. This is your answer. Moving to the next. Here you need to divide the polynomial with a polynomial. In this case what you will do, you will first arrange the expression in terms of their powers in डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ठीक है, पावर्स आपकी कम होती जानी चाहिए, इसको अरेंज करेंगे इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ठीक, मीन्स डिवाइडिंग वाई क्यूब प्लस 1 बाय वाई प्लस 1. ओके, what should I multiply with y in order to make it y cube? It's y square. जब हम y square से multiply करेंगे वो प्लस y square से, this will become y cube and this one will become y square. So y cube and y square is multiplied with this, then it become y square. Changing the sign underneath, this one will become minus, plus 1 will minus. Now it is deducted. Now here it is minus y square plus 1. Copied it down. Now what should I multiply this y with? I will multiply this y with a y, then only I'll get this one. Here it is mentioned that it is minus y square, so in order to get the minus y square I will multiply this with, not with only y but with a minus y. Applied with minus y, now it is becoming minus y square. Here minus y is multiplied with 1, it is minus y. Now on subtracting, changing the sign underneath, it will be cut off, and this one is, here it is plus y plus 1. Now I will multiply, in order to get y plus 1 I will multiply this with 1 only, so 1 will be plus 1. I multiplied with plus 1 and I get y plus 1. Now the remainder is 0. As you can see, sign is changed. This one is deducted and this one is deducted. In that case the remainder will be 0. Now the quotient will be y square minus y plus 1 and remainder is 0. Now trying to solve this question. Here x minus 2. In order to make it x cube, we will multiply this x with x square. बेटा हमें सिर्फ ये कंसीडर करना है कि फर्स्ट टर्म को कैसे हम इसके बराबर बना सकें, ओनली फर्स्ट टर्म के हिसाब से. इसको बाद में देखेंगे. इसको जिस टर्म से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे विद द सेम टर्म वी विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस वन. आवर एम इज़ टू मेक दिस टर्म इक्वल टू दिस टर्म. फर्स्ट टर्म को सबके बराबर बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे. ठीक है. सो इन ऑर्डर टू मेक इट एक्स क्यूब आई मल्टीप्लाइड दिस विद एक्स स्क्वायर. Now it is, when I multiplied this with x square it becomes x cube, and I multiplied 2 with the x square, it becomes minus 2 x square. putting a minus sign at the lower end. While subtracting, the sign will be changed of the lower expression. It is deducted. Now minus 6 plus 2x square. Minus 6x square plus 2x square is equals to minus 4x square plus 12x. This is I left with. Now I will multiply this x with minus 4x in order to make it minus 4x square. सॉरी, इसको माइनस 4x स्क्वायर बनाने के लिए हमने क्या किया, इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया विद माइनस 4x. माइनस 4x स्क्वायर. नाउ इट इज 4 2s are 8. Minus minus plus 8x. Changing the sign, it will be 4x I left with and minus 8. Now in order to make it 4x, I will multiply with 4 plus 4 से multiply किया, it is now 4x minus 8. Here the remainder is 0. Now I can write it, quotient is equals to x square minus 4x plus 4 and remainder is 0. Now I'll try to solve this question number 4 part 1. We need to make this 3x 6x cube. For making 3x, converting this 3x into 6x cube, I will multiply this with 2 and x square. How I said? Because I was already having 1x, 2x was required, whereas I was having 3 only. If it is multiplied with 2, then only it will become 6x cube. Now it becomes 6x cube minus 14x square. Okay, it's 2x square multiplied with 7 will be 14x square. Changing the sign underneath, it comes out to be 14 plus 1, 15 x square minus 26x minus 25. Now multiplying this 3x with 5 in order to make it 15 and x with one x in order to make it 15x square. 15x square minus 5 7s are 35. 35x. Okay. Now changing the sign underneath, it has been deducted. Now it becomes 9x minus 25. For making it 9x, I multiplied this with 3. तभी तो ये 9x बन पाएगा. I am multiplied with 3 plus 3. Here plus and minus make a great sense. So it is now 9x minus 21. Changing the sign, it becomes 4. Which kind of 4? It is minus 4. So the remainder, here the quotient is. Now look at this question number 6 and 7. If the area of the rectangle is x square minus 45y square plus 18yx, one side is given, you need to find the other side. It is simple that you will divide this one expression with this one. Okay. Look at the question number 7. Question number 7 is very simple. You will simply divide this one expression with this. ठीक है, तो बेटा ये I am giving this one as homework. Okay, and I am trying to make you solve this question number 6. Okay, so one side was known, other side, in order to know the other side, we will divide this expression 4x. Okay, let me clear you one thing. In this kind of expression, okay, you will write this expression in this way: 8x square x square minus 18xy term which will come in between, then your y square term. Means square terms will come on the both the sides, your cube term will come on both the sides, whereas the other term will come in between. 45 y square divided by 4x plus 15 y. Multiplying this, in order to make it 8x square, we will multiply 4x with 2x. 4 2s are 8, x into x are x square. Okay, now multiplying this 15 with the 2x will be 30x y, minus sign plus sign. Deducting this, it is 12xy, and now it is 45y square. Multiplying, in order to make it 12, I multiplied with this 3y. 12xy, 15 3s are 45 minus y square. Next place, here the 0. So the other side of the square rectangle will be 2x minus 3y. So this is all for today.